This video needed to come across your feed. Listen to the words that I'm saying right now. You must dig deeper. There has to be something that is deep within your heart, deep within your soul, to carry you through them days when you don't have enough energy. What is that thing? Is it your kids? Is it your family? Is it your future family? The students that you teach? Your players that you coach? What is it? You have to dig deeper. Think about, as soon as you wake up, you got your younger self. Think about them being attached to your hip. That'll motivate you. Peace, fam. It's your girl Jazz Avantí tapping in. I just want to hop on here real quick and share this message with you. So I was having this conversation with a client of mine the other day, and she was expressing to me how she just lacked the consistency and the motivation to, continue her journey within her weight loss journey, and she sounded just defeated. You know what I'm saying? Like, Jazz, I tried everything. I tried this, I'm trying that, I'm doing the Ozempic, and it's just not working. I don't know if this is for me, and I'ma just, essentially she was saying that she was just gonna give up. I just wanted to share this message. If you are lacking the motivation within anything you're doing, within this, if it's in your weight loss journey, if it's for mental health purposes, just, if you just need the motivation to keep on trucking within everyday life, you gotta have a bigger purpose. Period. 9 times out of 10, if you are lacking the motivation, your purpose is not bigger than you. I have a greater purpose. See, my purpose is this. My purpose is sharing to my audience. My purpose is helping somebody. My purpose is to give inspiration, give actionable steps to the next person to level up their life. My purpose is to be that lighthouse for my family, for my people. I want to be the superwoman of my future family. Just how my grandma is for my family, I want my family, I want my kids, my grandkids to look at me in admiration. Like, that's my grandma, that's my mama. She was a hustler. She got it out the mud. She did this thing for us. She showed us the right way. She showed us. Not only did she tell us how to move, she showed it. She demonstrated. Her actions spoke louder, and we respect that. And I'm going to be there for my family. I'm going to be there for my people. I understand that God has put a huge purpose on my life, and I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to stop until the mission is complete. Until it's time for me to go be with my Father, I'm going to keep on trucking. This video needed to come across your feed, and listen to the words that I'm saying right now. You must dig deeper. Whatever it is that you're pursuing, you must dig deeper. You have to figure out why you're doing things. Like, you can't just be doing things just to do it, because you're going to always fall by the wayside. There has to be something that is deep within your heart, deep within your soul, to carry you through them days when you don't have enough energy. What is that thing? Is it your kids? Is it your family? Is it your future family? Is it the students that you teach? Your players that you coach? What is it? You have to dig deeper. Why do you do what you do? Now, if you haven't figured that out, you got some work to do. Because I know you're not just out here going through the motions. It's a lot of people that's out here just going through the motions, don't have a real plan, a real something that they're trying to pursue. They just, going through life, doing what people tell them to do. You're not one of them people. I already know you're not one of them people because you tapped this video. So now, knowing that you have that mentality that, it's time for me to step up, now it's time for you to make a plan. Figure out who it is that you want to help. You have to have a deeper purpose. You think I want to, get up every day, every other day, and go put that pain in the gym. To be honest with you, I'm at the point now where it's my sanity. I'm not even gonna lie to you. There are days when I don't want to go, and I use those days to challenge myself mentally. But for the most part, man, working out, that's my safe haven. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I found peace and sanity in that gym. I love how it makes me feel. I love how it gives me that edge. And when I'm putting myself through that pain, I know that 9 times out of 10, wherever I go, grocery store, bookstore, mall, 9 times out of 10, that person is not doing what I'm doing on a daily. That gives me the utmost confidence to walk out here with my chin up and my chest out, because I'm not average. I'm doing what they can't do, essentially. I'm doing the daily disciplines. I'm eating clean. I'm going to the gym, and it's showing. It's showing. That's my motivation. But see, I'm gonna tell you something. Motivation is fleeting. It comes and it goes. See, you have to be disciplined to something. You have to be self-inspired by something. See, when I get on here and talk to y'all, it's healing my younger self, because I wish I had somebody like myself when I was younger to give me the game like this. So every time I come on here, it's essentially like I'm healing myself. I'm healing a part of me that I needed coming up as a young girl. Pouring to you right now, this is helping me. So allowing me to be on your screen like this, I appreciate you. I appreciate you for allowing me to share my knowledge, to share my experiences and my tutelage. I know you've heard people saying you got to do the mirror work. You got to do that self-work. I had a long conversation with God, and he was saying, you got to teach my people, Jazz. I gave you this gift. Don't squander it. Do not squander the gift that I gave you. And that gift is to share the knowledge, give the inspiration, give the actionable steps to help my people love themselves all over again. It starts with your spirit, then the mind, then your body will follow, and then everything else in your life it'll cause a domino effect. You lack the motivation, you have to dig deeper. Think about, soon as you wake up, you got your younger self. Think about them being attached to your hip. That'll motivate you. That's what I wanted to leave on you today. It's your girl, Jazz Avantí. If you found value in this video, leave a like, comment down below, and I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Love.